Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you spend any time on YouTube, you probably heard of this term called passive income. And if you actually do a search for it, you see hundreds of thousands of results. Now, the majority of these results might seem like a dream for a lot of people, especially if these people are making hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars a year. Now, even though this is possible, it's not realistically achievable for most people. And so today, I'm going to be talking about how you can earn $100 a month passively within a year, and this is something that I feel is achievable for most people. And I'm also going to talk about why earning $100 a month passively can actually change your life. And so for most people, when they're thinking about passive income, they're normally thinking about the stock market or investing, because this is something that is taught to us when we were in school, and that's highly encouraged in the workforce for you to save and invest so you could get returns on it later on. So let's go ahead and assume that you wanted to earn $100 per month through stock investing. And let's also assume that your average return is 10%. For most people, they're not going to get 10%. They're probably going to get 7 to 8% or even less than that. But let's just say you earn 10% annually. And let's also assume that we're not factoring in any type of taxes, capital gains tax, or any type of fees associated with it. And so in order for you to earn $100 a month, you would have to invest $12,000. So let's multiply that with a 10% return. So 10% per year would be $1,200, and then divide that by 12 months. So that's $100 per month. And so that is one way you could do that. And I honestly don't think most people are going to be able to do the whole stock investing route, especially if they have to come up with $12,000. And there's also a learning curve as well to do stock investing. And so what is the alternative way of earning $100 per month passively? That's becoming a content creator. This is something that I think is definitely achievable within a year, because this is something that I've done myself. And this is something that I feel could grow over time in a much bigger way than through stock investing. And also your initial investment could be free, especially through YouTube. And so with YouTube, if you actually learn how to create YouTube videos, you focus on this within a year, it's definitely possible for you to earn $100 per month passively. Now, the thing is, let's just say you only needed to earn $50 a month, because I'm going to talk about the second way you can earn passive income. You wanted to earn $50 a month through YouTube. That's highly possible for pretty much anybody to earn $50 a month passively if they focus on this for a year. The second way is to do it through Amazon, and specifically through creating books. And here you could create Kindle books, or you could also produce audiobooks and physical books out of that same book as well. And so earning $50 a month through Amazon and then $50 a month through YouTube will bring you to that $100 per month passive income within a year. And for some people, it could be less than that. And so why is $100 per month something that could be life-changing? Well, just think about your bills every single month. Things such as your electric bill, your water bill, your phone bill. You can use that $100 to pay for that. Or you could use that same money to invest in the stock market. And so why that's life-changing is because now you don't have to pay for those bills, because these bills are being paid passively through the income that you're generating from the content that you created. And if you think about that $100 over many years, that is a large amount of money. And another huge thing about being a content creator is this content you created can actually earn you more money over time. This video that you created years ago could be earning you more money and more views over time, and similarly for books as well. And so that's something that I don't think you can really do with stock investing, at least not to that level. And at the same time, since you are the content creator, you have a lot more control over your investments or assets, in this case the content you created, versus something within the stock market. And so that is how you could actually earn $100 per month passively, and also why it can definitely be life-changing. And let's just not forget, if you are pursuing the whole content creator route, you're going to learn a lot of valuable skills within a year, which you can apply to many other areas, which will allow you to earn even more income. So that's the episode on how you could earn $100 a month passively and how it could actually change your life. So if you had any thoughts on this or any of your own tips on earning passive income, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to subscribe. And if you wanted to support my channel further, you could do that at patreon.com/geekoutdoors. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you actually wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then join my Go Content Creators group, where you would get access to 30 free videos and more continuing content for all their creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. All you have to do is simply go to the link below, head over to our page, and join my Go Content Creators group. Thanks a lot, and I will see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.